Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to welcome you to my biggest project ever, a luxury $1 million flip in Scottsdale, Arizona. Come check it out. Hey, who's there? Yeah, okay, you're good. Come on in. Did you like, comment, and subscribe? Okay, cool. Come on in. Before I let you into the property, I need a huge favor. I need you to please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out in this YouTube journey. Thanks a lot. All right, so as you know, in real estate, time is of the essence. So I haven't been able to be here to film a video, but our crew has already gotten started with the project. And the first step in getting started was trash out. We completely trashed out the property, got rid of all the old junk that was in here, and we also started the demo process, which means that we demolished, we did the demolition, we got rid of all the old tile flooring, all the old carpet, all the old finishes that were in the property. So we're already a step ahead, and this project is moving along. Come check out the rest. Now we're moving into the kitchen area, and I really like this kitchen. One of my favorite parts about this property is how high and vaulted the ceilings are. So it feels super open, and that's part of the concept that we want to keep here in the kitchen. So as you can see, our demo team did a really good job, and we got rid of all the old cabinets that were in here. So we had a bunch of old cabinets, we pulled those all out. This property is gonna have brand new cabinets. We had an old kitchen island here, which was a little bit small, so we got rid of that as well. We're gonna be dropping a brand new waterfall island here, built-in sink, all new cabinets. One of the things that we're doing here in the kitchen is to make the kitchen a little bit bigger. We did get rid of these two windows. So we had two windows here that were really nice. They offered some natural light. However, it just made the kitchen feel really small. So now what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be doing an L-shaped kitchen. So it'll start here and the cabinets will run all the way here and they'll end here at this wall. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna have uppers up here all along this area. Our stove is gonna be right in this area. We're gonna have a nice 36-inch stove. And we're gonna have uppers here. We're gonna keep our pantry. And as you can see, with the pantry, we did frame it up because it kind of ended and it had a really weird soffit. So we framed it all the way up. It's gonna look great. Over here, on this part of the kitchen, we're actually only gonna do lower cabinets. And we're gonna use this part of the kitchen with backsplash, and we're just gonna have really nice shelving. This specific area here was like a breakfast nook. So we're actually canceling the breakfast nook, getting rid of it completely so that we can extend the kitchen all the way over here. We can give a lot more cabinet space, and so that we can drop in a massive island. This island is gonna be about 10 feet long. It's gonna have the sink built into the middle, and it's gonna be a waterfall island with Calcutta quartz that falls off both sides. So you could be washing your dishes here, look straight ahead, and you got your nice TV on that wall over there, and you have a nice, large kitchen. So let's talk about the living room. One of the biggest things that we're gonna be doing here in the living room is we are going to be opening up this space a lot more. We're gonna be putting in a 10-foot by 8-foot large foldable door. It's very popular in Arizona to have some inside, outside living. Right now, with this French door style that we have here, it's pretty dated, so we wanna give it more of a modern touch, and that 8-foot by 10-foot foldable door is really popular right now, and it's gonna make this house look great because the backyard on this property is amazing. So the best thing about the foldable door is that when you walk in from the front door, you'll be able to clearly see the beautiful pool straight through, a lot of natural light. It'll look amazing. So as a lot of you know, my goal this year was to get into more of a luxury, higher end properties. So I reached out to my buddies, Jesse Richards and Landon Boakley, AKA the Boakley brothers. They're some of the biggest flippers, luxury flippers in Las Vegas. And they wanted to partner with me on a Scottsdale deal. I picked their brain about the design and they helped me design this property. And they're actually partnering with me on the deal. So check out some of the design ideas that they shared with me and what we're gonna be doing with this property here in the living room. So as you can see, we have what we call this a pony wall. So we're framing this here so that we can include a nice LED fireplace. So the point of this here is gonna be, we're gonna have a nice long LED fireplace. We're gonna have a TV outlet up here. So you'll have your TV and your fireplace. This pony wall is gonna be completely tiled up with a really nice tile, and it's gonna give your center wall, your center feature, really nice accent. It's gonna break it up a little bit. So we're super excited about that. This property originally had a fireplace right here, and the fireplace just didn't make sense in the corner. So we still like the fireplace, and it was an old school fireplace. So we got rid of that, and we're going with the modern LED fireplaces, and I think it's just gonna add a really nice touch to the family living area. All right, so this house was built in 1989. In 1989, properties, there were still a lot of unique things going on. One of them was a wet bar. So here, there was a wet bar with a sink, and it just really didn't make sense for what we were going with, but we thought the space, we could use the space. So what we're gonna be doing here is we're gonna be dropping a wine fridge cabinet with some nice Calcutta countertops, and then we're gonna be dropping just a nice shelf here. So that way you have just another little beverage fridge there. Be a really nice touch when you're hanging out in the living room. All right, so I wanna give you a flash from the past. For a lot of you Gen Z, a lot of you millennials, you probably have no idea what this is. This is a built-in intercom system. In 1980s, this was all the technology. This was the iPhone back then, guys. Check this out. And the interesting thing about this one, it still works.
Hey, make me a sandwich. Hey, can you make me a sandwich down there?
Unfortunately, it doesn't fit in 2022, so we will be canceling these out. It's a really interesting feature to have in a property, but it doesn't belong in 2022, so all of these are gonna be going away. All right, so here we have the hallway bath or the powder room. We're gonna be dropping brand new cabinets, new vanity, mirror combo, obviously new toilets as well. We're gonna be replacing all of the electrical, so all new electrical fit switches, all new electrical outlets. It's all gonna be brand new. And what we are gonna do is we're actually gonna add a wallpaper feature wall here. So 3 walls will be painted, and this will be a wallpaper accent wall. So really nice touch. Shout out to the Boakleys on that one. They gave us that design idea. Now, let's check out the master bedroom. All right, so we're here in the master bedroom. As you can see, it's a really good sized room. And as you can see, we've already got some work started here as well. First thing that we did is we wanted to add more lighting. As you can see, it's pretty dark in here, and there was only 1 light fixture. So the first thing we did is we're adding 6 can lights in here. It's gonna really brighten the room up. Now, the next thing that we wanted to do is we wanted to add another accent wall. In luxury properties, it's really all about finding ways where you can turn a plain, boring wall and try to make it pop. So in this case, we added an accent wall that's also gonna include an LED fireplace down here, along with a TV outlet, so you can have your LED fireplace and your TV right in front of your bed. So we wanted to make sure we did that, added that to this luxury property. All right, so you're gonna notice that a lot of these windows have blue tape on them. That means that we need to replace these windows or replace the glass in these windows. So the previous owner, the tenants on this one, were really weird people because they ended up fogging up these windows somehow. And so they ruined perfectly good windows for whatever reason. But it's our job to get them back up to par. So we're either gonna be replacing the entire window or we're gonna be repairing the glass, whatever option is more affordable and makes more sense for this property. Come check out the master bath. We have some really good ideas for this one. All right, so here we have the master bath. As you can see, it's already been demoed. So we've gotten rid of all the old cabinets. We completely demoed out the old tub and shower combo that was in here. And so here's our plan for this one. We're also gonna be dropping in some can lighting. So as you can see, we do have some can lighting already. We have the holes for the can lighting already installed. We're gonna be dropping, whoa. Gotta be careful. We are on a live construction site, guys, so it's always important to be careful. You never know what you're gonna step on or where you're gonna run into. So, all right, so here we have the vanity. So we're gonna be dropping a brand new, this would be an 84-inch cabinet, shaker, soft closing. It's gonna look great. We're gonna have the sink, his and her sinks with nice cabinet space in the middle. We're gonna be dropping 30 by 40 black mirror vanities here. And we're gonna be dropping some vanity lights, but we're not gonna be putting them up here in this case. In this case, we're gonna be putting them on the side. So we'll be putting one here, and one here. And it's just a different little twist. For these higher end properties, you don't wanna just do the regular construction that you see at any normal cookie cutter house. You wanna add some design features, and this is all stuff that I'm learning from the Boakley brothers. They're teaching me some of what they're doing in Vegas and what's working, and we're gonna apply some of that here to our Scottsdale project. All right, so here we have what would be the shower and tub area. So we have a really good idea here for the shower. We're gonna be doing a rain shower, so this is gonna be a full rain shower here. We're also gonna have a shower faucet coming here, and we're gonna be placing the valves on this side. It's gonna be an all glass, I think it's gonna be about 6x6 shower. It's gonna be completely glassed all the way up with the doorway entrance here. So you can enter here, turn on the valve, hop in your rain shower, and take a nice shower. All right, so here we are. This is where we would put a freestanding tub. We're gonna be replacing this with a brand new window. It's probably gonna be like a privacy window, but we will be dropping a freestanding tub with a filler coming from the ground all the way up. It'll fill the tub really nice right there. It'll be a really nice touch for this master bath. And that's pretty much it. The master closet is in pretty decent shape. There's not much that we're gonna do here as far as that. We're gonna just keep it. We likely will replace these doors and probably just put more of a modern door on there. But besides that, that is our plan for the master shower. All right, so now we're in the laundry room. So in here, what we're gonna be doing is we're just gonna be dropping uppers up here. We're gonna put new valves, so we're gonna have new shower valves, replace all that. That's gonna stay the same, so washer, dryer here. We're gonna have uppers here, shaker uppers, so it's gonna be all white shaker cabinets, uppers. Over here, we're gonna be dropping another cabinet with its own little laundry sink and an area to fold some clothes. So pretty easy on this one. We're not getting too crazy here. It's just a shower, it's just a laundry room, so we wanna make sure that we just tighten it up. All right, so let's check out the upstairs. All right, so up here, as you can see, we've already demoed. We began the demo process. We got rid of all the old carpet. We will be installing a really nice high-end luxury, high traffic carpet. So it'll be perfect for these areas that have a lot of traffic. And then I wanna walk you over here to one of the biggest spaces that we have here at the property. And this is a loft area. So when you have a 4-bedroom, 3,700 square foot house like this, it's really great to have a loft, because downstairs could be living room for adults, and this could be a play area for kids to hang out. So what we're doing here, we've already installed the can lighting. As you can see, we're gonna have all new can lighting. And here, we're gonna be designing this very similar to what we saw downstairs in the master bedroom. We're gonna be evening this out, and we're gonna be tiling it up, and we're gonna be dropping in a TV outlet so you can mount your TV. No fireplace over here. We're actually gonna be canceling this fireplace. I feel like 2 fireplaces is enough for one property. All right, so I wanna bring you out to one of my favorite parts of the property. From the loft, it actually has this balcony, and it's a beautiful balcony, and it'll showcase the entire backyard. You could look over the backyard, and you get beautiful mountain views. Here, you can see some of the Scottsdale mountains that you see through here. And once our backyard is all done, it's gonna be great to be able to step out here, enjoy your day, watch your kids play in the pool. It's really tough to beat this view here. All right, so come check out the rest of the bedrooms over here. So what I love about this property and what I think is gonna really bring the value is that the master bedroom is downstairs. So masters gets pretty much the entire first floor is for the master bedroom. And up here is where all the other bedrooms are. So in the second floor, we have all the other bedrooms and that loft. So it's perfect for a family with kids. Kids can hang out here, they can hang out on the loft. Parents have all the downstairs to do their thing. So we have 3 bedrooms up here, as you can see. We've already started the demo process. We're gonna be dropping all new ceiling fans in here as well. We're gonna have the same nice carpet, paint, and as you can see, the intercom system is even in all the bedrooms, so we gotta get rid of that. Oh, these wires are exposed, so we gotta be careful with that. Don't touch any of that. Woo. All right, so we got the bathroom up here, so here's the second full bath. As you can see, we've already demoed it out, so it had a nice mirror, it had a big mirror here, 2 sinks. We're gonna be doing a tub shower combo here. We're gonna be tiling it all the way up. Brand new tub, nice tile. We're gonna go with black finishes in here. And then here we're gonna go with a 60-inch cabinet set. So it's gonna be dual sinks as well. Same countertops as what we're using throughout the property. We're gonna do dual vanities, and then we're gonna do 1 large vanity light instead of multiple vanities. We're just, because of this little soffit that we have here, we're gonna do just 1 large vanity for both mirrors, so. All right, and then here we have the 2 other bedrooms. Same concept here, new ceiling fans, same carpeting. The doors are in good shape, so we're just gonna be painting those, and we're gonna be changing all the hardware throughout the property. Now, here's a really interesting thing with this property that we had. It actually has a laundry chute. So we were contemplating on keeping it, but it just kind of doesn't really make sense to keep. It's really, I think it even dates the property, and it gets a little confusing to try to tell your contractors, hey, make sure we save the laundry chute. So we're gonna be dropping new cabinets in here, and we're just gonna be canceling out that laundry chute. All right, so now we're at my favorite part of the property, this beautiful backyard. Come check it out. So maybe it doesn't look as beautiful right now, but let me walk you through some of the plans for this one, and I think it's gonna look great. So when we got the pool was green, so we had to drain the pool. So that was the number one thing that we did, is we came in here and we drained this pool. Another thing with this pool, the tile that we had, original tile on there, you can kind of see it was falling off and it was in bad shape. So we decided to chip out all the old tile, put new tile in, and it looks great. Also out here, what we're gonna be doing is, as you can see, you see these little areas of blue tape. This is where we have some issues with the cool decking. So in Arizona, summers get really hot, so you have to make sure that your pool has this acrylic pool decking. They call it cool decking, and really what it does is it keeps it nice and cool so you can walk from inside the house into the pool without burning up your feet. And so we're gonna be doing all new cool decking throughout the entire property. And then over here, as you can see, the backyard has actually pretty good landscaping. So a lot of the plants are in really good shape. They're on automatic timers, so they're being watered themselves. There's a few of them that are like not looking so amazing, so we're gonna get rid of the ones that are not looking so amazing, replace them with some new, nicer plants. And then we're also gonna be tightening up these bushes, tightening up these palm trees. But for the most part, a lot of the landscaping has already been done for us. We have this big tree here, so we're kind of going back and forth. Help us out here in the comments. We like the tree, but we also think that we could potentially just get rid of the tree and do an all turf area. Really great for kids to play or for people to hang out. So, let us know what you think. Should we get rid of the tree? Drop some comments in the comment section. Let us know if we should get rid of this tree. But once this pool is nice and full, it is a diving pool, so it's about, I believe it's 9 feet deep. So once this pool is nice and full, it's gonna look amazing, and this backyard is gonna be super, super sick. All right, so now it's time for everybody's favorite part, the numbers. We purchased this property for $1 million. We did receive a seller credit for $25,000, so our final purchase price was $975,000. Our budget for our renovations is $170,000. This looks to be a 6-month project. We're hoping to get it done sooner than that, so we have a 6-month time frame on it. After holding costs, renovations, our after repair value is $1.5 million. So if we're able to hit that after repair value target, we have a projected profit of $200,000 in 6 months. The super cool thing about this project is that I was able to partner with my buddies, Jesse Richards and Landon Boakley, AKA the Boakley brothers. They're the biggest luxury flippers in Las Vegas, and they partnered with me on this deal so that $200K profit would be split evenly amongst all of us. It's a really great situation because I was able to find the deal. They helped me fund the deal and design the deal. I'm helping them with managing the project. So in real estate, it's all about creating these relationships that can create win-win situations for everybody involved. All right, so you ain't gotta go home, but you gotta get up out of here. Again, I always appreciate you watching my videos. I appreciate you like, comment, subscribe. It really helps me out on my YouTube journey. I'll catch you on my next video. Later.